Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, what we need to do is we need to just solve nth pentagonal number, and it's some kind of a number, but we simply need to use just this formula only. Okay, so this is pretty easy problem, right? So what we need to do is, since we have the function definition which returns int, and we've got the function name of pentagonal number, data type, we get a parameter as num, right? So we can simply do return directly, right? So n multiplied by 3 multiplied by n minus 1, and then we do divide by 2, right? So let's just run the code, right? It just basically has to be same thing, but I just need to add a semicolon. Okay, so it's this easy problem, right? What happened over there? Undeclared identifier. Okay, for this input num5, right? So, okay. Oh, okay. So maybe perhaps we can simply do num. Okay, so similarly over here num. So when I run the code, it should work just fine. Yep. Right. So this was pretty easy problem. All right. So let me just submit the code. There is no rocket science in this. Right, so we define the output of the function type, right, and we have the function name, right? So data type of output, and then after that we have function name, and then we have parameters, right, and then we simply do a thing. And it has to return something, right? So that's basically it. The in terms of function, okay. That's how a function signature or the whole function is in C. So thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.